Let's meet our second Ouch patient, Tola.
Hello.
10-year-old Tola is on dialysis at the Evelina Children's Hospital in London because he has a kidney disease.
He's waiting for a donor to be matched with him so he can receive a kidney transplant.
Kidneys act a bit like filters, cleaning your blood.
This is a dialysis machine, and it's doing the job of Tola's kidneys.
It will take all my blood from my body and clean it in this machine.
His blood passes through this machine and is cleaned of waste products and excess fluid before flowing back into his body.
It will help my kidneys function more.
Tola needs dialysis regularly. It takes a long time, though, and has to be done in hospital.
It basically takes 4 hours. In a typical week, I would be here 3 times a week.
During this time, Tola has to stay seated and can't move away from the machine.
Just need to chillax now.
Ooh, I love a chillax.
But it's not all chillaxing for Tola because this dialysis disrupts him going to school. School comes to him.
This is Agron, my teacher. I do maths, literacy, and guided reading, and art sometimes cooking as well.
Until a kidney donor can be found, Tola must continue with his regular treatment.
That's the alarm, and that means I'm finished with dialysis.
That's good. It means Tola can head home.
Find out next time how he's getting on.
Let's meet another Ouch patient.
Can you hear me?
Loud and clear. It's Tola. He has a kidney disease.
Soon I'll be getting a transplant.
Last time we met up with Tola in hospital having dialysis treatment.
I'm on the dialysis machine to clean my blood and to help my kidneys function more.
But Tola also looks after his kidneys at home.
Hello, this is my sister, Timmy, and this is my brother, Tolu.
Hello there.
Hi. This is my mum,
Hi, Mum.
and here's my dad.
Hi, Dad.
Family meal times are a bit different for Tola because there are some things he can't eat.
I'm not allowed to eat with something with too much potassium, like potato, banana, mango, and stuff like that.
Lots of foods are full of potassium. It's an important mineral that helps your body to work properly. But for Tola, too much or too little can make him unwell.
If I have too much potassium, I could start vomiting again, and if I have too low, I could start vomiting as also, so I have to keep it on a balanced diet.
Any food you miss, Tola?
It's gonna be the chicken and chips.
Ooh, I don't blame you.
Tola also has to be very careful not to drink too much.
Cheers, Tola.
Anything else to tell us?
That's a wrap.
See you next time.
Hello.
Hello. We've also been following Tola.
Tola is on dialysis because he has a kidney disease.
It will help my kidneys function more.
Last time we saw how Tola's condition affects his daily life, especially what he eats.
If I have too much potassium, I could start vomiting, so I have to keep it on a balanced diet.
Tola recently had an operation to enable him to have dialysis without any tubes permanently attached to his body.
I am here with my mum in the hospital because I just had an operation on my arm.
So now he can take part in some fun activities.
I can start going swimming and do all the stuff that I couldn't do before.
So, things are looking up for Tola, and no matter what, he always finds time to beat his dad at table tennis.
He's the hardest challenge in my family, and the rest are just easy to me, especially my brother.
Great skills!
Something I really love to do, so why would I let go of something I really love just for some kidney disease that I have?
Well played, Tola. Good luck for the future. Bye!
Bye!
Bye, Tola.
That's a wrap.
Ouch.